For division involving a whole number and a fraction, I like to use something called keep, change, flip. And literally this is what it means. It means keep the first fraction just like it is, change multiplication to division, so that's changing the symbol, and then flip the second fraction. And then you just multiply. So if then a number is a whole number, not a fraction, you have to make it a fraction by putting a 1 on the bottom. So we're going to keep the first fraction, so 8 over 1, change division to multiplication, and the second fraction gets flipped. So I'm going to do 7 over 6. Then you multiply straight across. 8 times 7 is 56. And 1 times 6 is 6. Now these are both even numbers, so you can cut them in half. So let's do that. Half of 56 is 28. And half of 6 is 3. And there's nothing that you can divide both of these numbers by. So that's the answer to that one. Okay, so make any whole numbers a fraction by putting a 1 under the bottom. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and the second fraction gets flipped. Multiply straight across. 7 times 1 is 7. 6 times 8 is 48. And there is nothing you can divide those by, so that's the answer to that one. Make all whole numbers a fraction by putting a 1 on the bottom. Keep the first fraction like it is. Change division to multiplication. Take the second fraction and flip it. Multiply straight across. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 2 is 12. It cannot be simplified.